In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a OneDrive link with others. This tutorial will guide you through the straightforward process of sharing documents and folders stored in your OneDrive. Whether you're collaborating with coworkers or simply sharing family photos, these steps will have you sharing content in no time. Let's start by heading over to onedrive.live.com. If you haven't already signed into your account, you'll need to use your Microsoft credentials, which could be your Microsoft email and password. Once logged in, take a moment to browse through your files and identify the specific file or folder you want to share. This step is vital because you need to select your intended content carefully before moving on. After locating your desired file or folder, right-click on it. You'll notice a menu pops up with various options. Among these, look for the option labeled Share. Clicking this will open up a window with sharing options tailored to your needs. Focusing on the sharing window, find and select the option that says Copy Link. This action is essential because it generates a unique URL linked to your specific document or folder. What's great about this feature is its simplicity. A single click provides a direct link you can send to others in various ways, such as emails or instant messages. Now that you have your link, it's time to share it with others. Choose the platform or method that best suits your sharing needs, whether it's via email, chat applications, or even messaging within a project management tool. The options are plenty. Be sure to paste the link in your chosen message field, allowing your recipient easy access to the shared file or folder. Before sending off your link, consider setting permissions based on your sharing preferences. You'll notice you have the option to determine whether the recipient can edit the content or only view it. This is a crucial step for managing collaboration. If you're working on a team project, allowing others to edit might be necessary. On the other hand, if you're simply sharing information or a presentation, setting it to Can View will suffice. Take a moment to reflect on your needs before finalizing this choice. Once you've made your permission decision, you're ready to share. Double-check the details, ensure the correct permissions are set, and send the link on its way. Your recipient will appreciate the ease and convenience with which they can access the files or folders you shared. And there you have it. Sharing a OneDrive link with others is as simple as signing in, generating a sharing link, and setting the appropriate permissions. Thank you for watching and happy sharing.